Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video here on Curve Finance. Wanted to make a video on this since it has gone absolutely parabolic, had some huge volume, which we'll still get into in a moment. But right now you can also see it has a market cap of $1.3 billion and a volume of $1.66 billion. When we're looking at perpetual futures volume, you can also see in the last 8 hours, it is among the likes of Dogecoin in volume. A little bit less, as you can see, but still super high volume. And we had some major news. All right, so I just wanted to do a full video here on Curve Finance and the Curve DAO, and kind of talk about what's going on. Can we actually rally up higher, etc. All right, so fundamentally, the main news we had was Blackrock partners with Curve Finance and Elixir to bring traditional financial assets to DeFi. So that's obviously very bullish. And if some of you still remember some of these Blackrock partnerships that we've had throughout the year, for example, also with Ondo, the bullish momentum that can create and sustained bullish momentum as well is simply amazing. So that is definitely one of the main things that we're seeing. That was November the 29th, right? So I'm already very, very late, but that is when we started this entire bull run. Actually earlier, and this is also, I'm a little bit sour because personally I entered Curve not down there, but I believe somewhere around like 29.5 cents. And I sold most of it at 45 cents. Amazing profits, but I could have made much, much more. So I'm a little bit sour about Curve right here, but amazing news, right? This is amazing news. I actually used the farm Elixir as well, but I'm very interested to see what this brings Curve on the long term. When we take a look at that market cap, I think this market cap is highly undervalued. Curve right now is just now in the $100 million or 100 top 100. But the main thing I still want to see is some sort of proof as well that Curve as a protocol is growing. All right, right now they have $2.88 billion locked up on Curve Finance. But if you compare that to the past, and obviously this is not the past, but Curve has been much, much bigger. Like even in the bear market, it was bigger. So I need to see that increase as well. If that increases, then this news in combination with Curve itself can get this to a 10x easily. All right, so that's definitely potential, but now I need to see that also coming from the protocol. Now, when we're talking about the price right here, we hit a major resistance level, as you can see, at around 1.25. First of all, this is the weekly time frame, so it matters here, the key levels. Strong key level, as you can see, around 1.25, bit of a psychological level as well, and the 200 EMA. So, and you can also see that the volume is dropping down a bit here. I'm not sure, the momentum was still very high earlier this morning. Yeah, momentum is still quite high. So in general, if we actually want to see continuation here for Curve, we need to break above 1.25. And although I think Curve is very strong, and I do think we will remain bullish with these current fundamentals, I think it's most likely that we will get into that. So that short term, we can keep that bullish momentum, but I don't think we'll get a sustained breakout. All right, I think we'll get there, but I think we'll find resistance. We'll pull back first, consolidate perhaps, depends on the market circumstances, before later on breaking above that and going for higher highs. And then after 1.25, the next real price target is a bit of a smaller level at 1.5. Right, so that's what I would say is most likely. What I do want to end this video with though is have a price alert at 1.25. All right, market right now is bullish. And it is very, very possible that we still break out above 1.25 today. And even if we get like a lower time frame break, like on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame, then we can still get that move up to 1.5 and drop down below 1.25 again, all in one weekly candle. All right, so even though I do not think it's most likely we'll break above 1.25, I will be ready. All right, if that breaks, I'll be ready to buy. And I think you should be too. So those are my thoughts, right? That's what I think is most likely. That's what I think in terms of trading you should be aware of. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.